So we're here at the second of the Browning Experience Tour events at Austin Shooting Ground, and I've got the new Browning Maxus II, which was launched earlier this year. So what's different about it from the Maxus I? Well, I guess the first thing you'll notice is the rubber inserts we have in the fore-end grip and in the palm grip. Makes the gun very, very tactile, very grippy, particularly in wet and cold conditions. Also this rubberized cheek piece as well. So the comfort of the gun is being very much improved. We've also increased the bolt size on the Maxus II as well, and also the bolt release button have also been increased in size. So that's 2 extra features. We are retaining some of the key features of the gun that we had in the Maxus I. Those being the speed load function. If you don't know, we can load the gun in the conventional way, straight into the breech, or using the speed load port here, we just push in with our thumb. The first shell then automatically loads into the breech, and then you follow up with another 2 or 5 shells into the magazine. So we're retaining those features, which the Maxus has become very well known. But one feature we have dropped now actually is the speed lock fore-end, which was more like a shotgun fore-end, where we had a catch. We've gone back to the old nut and bolt style screw top. And the reason for that is that the Maxus I was restricted by the fore-end in its capacity. So now by using this screw down cap, we can extend the mag tube capacity out to 10 rounds. So it does give the gun far more utility. Maxus has got a very, very good reputation. It's working on a gas system, which is very, very easy to maintain and very soft to shoot as well, not like some of the inertia systems that are on the market. So it's got a great reputation, and it's so reliable as well. I mean, we don't get anything wrong with these guns, providing you use the right shells, of course. We recommend a 70mm shell to work and cycle properly. So providing you're using a 70mm shell, you won't get any problems with it at all. And they're so easy to maintain. You literally strip it down, wipe it over with an oily rag after every couple of 100 rounds, and it won't give you any problems whatsoever. Important feature, obviously, for pretty much all shotguns these days is steel shot proof. This comes as standard, as you would expect. All of our composite models will come in a 3.5-inch chamber, and all of our barrels are multi-choke, so interchangeable. Also retained from the Maxus I is the shim kit that we include in the box, which is, you can't see, but little shims of plastic here, which we can cant the gun left and right-handed or up and down as well. So I think there are a total of 56 different variations of stock configuration for length and cast and height. There's also, I think, 2 or 3 different types of pad in the box as well. So you can set the gun up for almost anybody. Price-wise, $13.50 for the standard sort of composite models, and then you can move to a couple of these camo versions. There's a Max 5 and a Mobuk version, and they're just £100 more at $14.50.